Alright, you're welcome once again to Randy Forex Solution channel. This is the channel we talk about how you can make money online, especially in the area of forex trading. Okay, so this morning, without wasting time, we're going to be talking about the topic trend-based trading strategy, navigating price movement from the support level to the resistance level using trend lines. Alright, today we're going to be looking at leveraging trend lines to identify key support and resistance zone. Leveraging trend lines to identify key support and resistance zone. Okay, so that is number one. 2, learn how to capitalize on market movement as prices fluctuate within the dynamic range. 3, discover the act of buying from the support zone and selling near the resistance level. 4, maximizing your potential gains while minimizing risk. 5, gain insights into interpreting trendline patterns and making informed decisions based on market trends. Finally, master the nuances of trend-based trading for a comprehensive approach to navigate the ever-changing financial markets. Alright, so we'll be looking at this right away and continue in the next video from wherever we're going to stop. Alright, so let's go.
Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video around the Forex community to help others achieve their dream.
Alright, you're welcome to the chart. Okay, this is the chart and we are right now on our weekly time frame. So if you move to our monthly time frame, okay, you're still going to see what has happened on the monthly time frame. Alright, so this is the monthly time frame. You can see the market is bullish. The market is heading up trend. Okay, the market is bullish. So once you've seen it on your monthly time frame, just go to your weekly time frame. Are you seeing the weekly time frame here? All right, that is also bullish. All right, the monthly time frame work together with the weekly time frame. Okay, all right, so you can see that the market is bullish. So you take your trend lines. All right, immediately take your trend lines. This is the trend line on my support level, and this is another trend line on my resistance level. All right, remember, all what you need is your two touch. Make sure you're having your two touch. This is my two touch here. All right, so I've gotten my two touch. Right now, I know that the market is what? Heading up. All right, but you can see the movement up and down. All right, you can see the movement here. Up and down, up and down, up and down. That is to say that whenever the market moves down here, it goes back up. Whenever it moves down, it goes back up and it goes down again. Whenever it drop down here, it will retest and start moving up again. Once it retests on the resistance level, it comes down again, just like that. So that is what the market is doing. Okay, so the market is moving up and down, up and down. So and pick your key levels. Okay, so this is our TP1. All right, this is our TP2 here, this is our TP2, and this is our TP3. all right, this is our take profit levels, okay, where we're going to take our profit. So immediately once you're done with that, you move to your 4 hours time frame. All right, you see, once you move to a 4 hours time frame, you see what the market is doing. Okay, all right, how the market hits this level up here, this level up here, all right, and start coming down. Okay, all right, so that's what the market is consolidating to do next. Okay, all right, each time it hits the support level, it will go back up just like that. All right, so here is the entire market. I seen it on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, we have to take another trend line on the 4 hours time frame, right, so that it can guide us during trading. Okay, I seen it. This level here is the support level. All right, so if we go back to our 15 or 5 minutes time frame, you can be able to see what the market is doing. All right, you can see I've taken positions and also have placed my stop loss. All right, because I've already seen the pattern. All right, I want, all right, that shows that the market is now trending up. The pattern that shows that the market is now trending up. All right, and the W pattern. Okay, I seen it. So the market is about trending up, so I have to take my entrance and place my stop loss here. Okay, and right now we are on some profits because the market is about trending up. All right, if you go back to and to check what we've made, you can see. All right, don't forget, I told you that the first priority, all right, when it comes to trading is to know your trend. Figure out your trend first of all from the higher time frame. You must have a build up of your strategy from the higher time frame. Build up your strategy from the higher time frame, all right, so that you can be able to spot out or figure out the correct trend of the market. Okay, once you can know the correct trend, or you can be able to know the general summary of the market, okay, you've gotten almost 50% success. Okay, so once you've gotten your general summary, all right, of the entire market, you switch to what? Your D1. But before you switch to your D1, also take your key levels on your W1. Make sure you get your key levels on your W1 and switch to your daily time frame to confirm the key levels. All right, you can see the key levels intact. Okay, once you've confirmed the key levels and know where the market is heading to, you can see the market goes up and down using my indicator, all right, to spot out this market. Okay, all right, it's very easy to trade. Okay, so once you've already spot out the various key levels and you've confirmed it on your D1, then you switch to your 4 hours time frame and draw another trend line to guide you during trading. All right, get another trend line on your 4 hours time frame. Once you've gotten the trend line on your 4 hours time frame, you're seeing here, all right, this is the first, which is on your resistance level. This is the second, which is on your support level. So once you're done with that, you're almost at a 60% level of success. All right, once you're already at your 60% level of success, all right, the only thing that is left is to wait for confirmation from your 15 minutes and 5 minutes time frame. Okay, wait for the correct confirmation on your 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. All right, depending on the one you like using. Okay, look at it, we've gotten our confirmation right here. You can see the market is now trending up. I took this trade immediately and placed my stop loss down here, down below. I seen it, so the market is now trending up. All right, so this is how it works. Okay, all right, this is how you should trade. Remember, we're talking about the trend-based trading strategy, how you can navigate the price movement from the support level to the resistance level. All right, so we are trading now with our trend line. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button right away and the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I release a new video like this. Okay, like, share and comment on this video so that I can be able to get your feedback. The market is now trending up. I seen it. All right, so you are advised to buy this market up. Buy it up to the next level. All right, buy it up to the next level. Okay, all right, buy up to the next level. This is what we're expecting the market to do. So this is what is going on right now. Okay, so buy to the next level, buy to the next level immediately. All right, start buying to the next level. Okay, so this is what we're expecting from this market. Buy to the next level. Remember, you can stop at the second or third key level of our take profit. You can stop at the second key level of our take profit. All right, so without wasting time, you can start buying this market up. Okay, you can start buying this market immediately. All right, so you can start buying this market up immediately. You can see the market is heading up, so take a buy up, take a buy up. All right, we're expecting this market to start going up. All right, so take a buy. So that is the analysis for the week on volatility 10 index. Buy this market immediately and take it up to the next level, volatility 10 index.
Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video around the Forex community to help others achieve their dream.
Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video to everyone on the Forex community.